Alright, Tennessee Matt here. We're on a pontoon boat. And we got a boat over here. Let's go check out this boat. Jacob the carpetbagger would like a video like this. He needs to come to Destin and see this abandoned boat. Alright, right here in the water. It's really shallow. I just walked over here from the boat. Hope this audio is picking up well. I do have the waterproof cover on. Alright, here's the boat. Check out what's inside. You can see there's no motor engine left. It's pretty much been gutted. I don't know if this old girl will ever see anything again. Florida has left that sign there. I bet this boat has an interesting story. I would like to know it. I may research it online a little bit when we get back. There's little fishies in the water. Check it out. Whoever crashed it here, or however it got here, I bet it is an interesting story.